Welcome back to the 5th day of Craftmas. Today I'm adding heat transfer vinyl to a sweatshirt using my heat press. I hope you're enjoying this Christmas series. I'm having so much fun making all of these Christmas crafts and I can't wait to share the rest of them with you. First I'm going to uploads and I'm going to upload my SVG. This says "'Tis the season to be freezin'," which I thought was really cute. Before I do anything, I want to move these words a little bit closer together. So I'm going to ungroup everything and I'm going to move this up just a little bit. And actually, I am going to group "'tis the" and "to be" together. I'm also going to just group "freezing" together. Then I'm going to highlight over all of this and hit align center horizontally. Then that'll bring it all right in the center. Okay, I like how all of that is lined up. I'm going to highlight over all of this and I will attach it all together. Now I'm just going to size this. I'm going to make it 9.5 inches for the width. Now I'm going to click on Make It. Since this is iron-on, I'm going to mirror my design and I'll hit continue. I'm using Caesar Glitter Easy Weed, so I'm going to select Glitter Iron-On. I have my Cricut cut out my glitter Caesar Easy Weed. As you can probably tell from my past videos, Caesar Easy Weed is definitely my favorite type of heat transfer vinyl. While my Cricut is cutting out my design, I set my heat press to 320 at 20 seconds. Since this is glitter heat transfer vinyl, I like to increase the temperature and time slightly. Usually I do 315 at 15 seconds. If you are using a Cricut Easy Press, I would use the setting 330 at 30 seconds. I preheat my sweatshirt before adding my design. Look how pretty this glitter vinyl is. As you can tell from my other Craftmas videos, I've been obsessed with the glitter vinyl for the holidays. I start weeding out my vinyl. I usually try to do a better job trimming with my scissors around the edges to save as much vinyl as possible, but I was having such a hard time seeing the cut lines with this glitter vinyl, so I wasted a little bit more than I wanted to. You can see I was really struggling with seeing the cut lines, so I eventually got out my Cricut Bright Pad and that helped a lot. I set my sweatshirt down and line up my design. Lately, I've been using the Cricut ruler to line up my design. I place the ruler at the armpits and line it up at equal distance on each side. Then I find the center. At number 13, this is the center. Next, I take my vinyl and fold it in half, lining it up with the vinyl, not the carrier sheet. Then at the top, I fold a crease. This is an easy way to find the center of your design, and make sure you don't fold it on the sticky side. Then I place my design on my sweatshirt where I think it would be in the center. After that, I take my other acrylic ruler and place it vertically against the 13 mark, and I line that up with my crease so that I know that it's in the center, and it looks like I eyeballed it really well because it was lined up how it should be. And I usually do this part first, but I forgot to this time. I measure about 1.5 to 2 inches down from the collar. I had it a little high, so I lowered it down just a little bit. I hope all of that makes sense, what I was doing. I honestly don't know if that's the best way to line up the designs, but I found that it works really well for me. Let me know in the comments if you have any tips or tricks for lining up your designs on your shirts. I would love to hear. I placed my sweatshirt on my heat press. I bought my heat press from Heat Press Nation. I looked on Amazon, but there was so many mixed reviews that I decided to invest a little bit more money on this one. I would definitely recommend this heat press and that company. They are really great. I just wish that it was a swing away because it would make it easier to set my sweatshirt down. Here's how the sweatshirt looks. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. Hit the bell if you don't want to miss any of my videos. And check out my Patreon account in the description box below if you would like to support my channel even further. And there are some perks as well when you join. And have a great day.